I'm Dylan and you're watching H3 Humper. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to adjust the parking brake on an H3 Hummer. Let's take a look. There's this cable leading to this bracket with two cables running off of that, going back to the brakes. I'm going to spray a little bit of penetrating oil onto these threads here. I've got a 1/4 inch box wrench on the brake line side. I've got a 10mm deep socket on this adjuster nut here. I'm pulling some more threads through, and as I'm doing that, the parking brake is getting tighter. Now I'm gonna pop back into the cab and push the parking brake lever down and see how tight it feels. If there's nothing and it still goes all the way to the floor, I still have more adjusting to do. Alright, now it's nice and tight, but not too tight. And there you have it. There's a quick and simple way on how to adjust your parking brakes on an H3 Hummer.